I around 400.
Around 400 for the day?
Yes.
Ours are going to be 350.
Come again?
Ours are going to be 350.
Oh, I will come back here.
Not will take.
Yeah. Oh, actually, I'm here for tomorrow.
We won't have them for tomorrow.
For pontoon.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah, I'm Earl. So,
Earl, hi, Earl.
yeah, nice to meet you. Oh, is it you that
You'll see me tomorrow.
Oh, okay, sweet. Yeah. Yeah, Lori. Yeah. I remember I was like, is this the place where I'm gonna get the boat tomorrow? So yeah. So pontoon will be here also.
So you have your boater's card then?
Yes, ma'am. Do you also provide temporary ones?
Yes, we do.
Sweet. Alrighty. That's Ikaw Japon temporary. Ang kuha ko kuan, jet ski. Or how about a fishing boat? Do you guys have a fishing boat?
No, we don't get fishing boats.
No fishing
Not
boat?
much call for them.
Not so much. Okay. Eee! Oh, sounds good. It's like my car also.
Yes?
Oh, no tap. Okay.
Your card? We don't like to tap because they charge us double.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
I
I'm just like,
won't let you tap tomorrow.
thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, so sorry.
There you go.
Sweet, thank
tomorrow.
you. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. What time you guys open here?
9.
9. So I'll be here maybe around 8:45 or maybe 8:50.
No.
50.
No.
55.
No.
55. Is there something like we need to fill
Yeah,
out?
we can do it today.
Yeah, we can. Can we bring it home and then we're gonna fill up it there?
No, I can do it with you here. Hello?
Oh,
Hello? Yeah? Brian is up at the top, I think. Why? Where are you? He went up to the top. Alright, fine. Alright, just ask him. Yeah, we can do your paperwork now, quickly, and then
Yeah.
come tomorrow and,
Pick it up.
yeah.
Sweet. Sounds good. Hey, puppy.
Want to do your orientation now too? Everything now? Or do you want to get going back on your jet
Yeah,
ski?
because we're gonna.
You have to take it back?
Yeah, it's already 4:22. We're gonna.
Alright, just go enjoy your jet ski and then we'll see you in the morning, okay? I'll be here at 9.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too, Earl.
There, yeah. You take care. Thank you.
See you tomorrow.
See ya. Guys. Ha? Sama, ikaw na po drive? Ha? Pag sure ba?
Lagi.
Ikaw sa drive kay 4:30. Tara. Fishing para ba ta? Fishing para ba? Kato isa, dadto lang tingali.
Adan sila na lang.
Sa kuan. Tanaw ta kung mas barato dari. Dari ta. $195. Kamay ra diferensya? Oo. Yeah. Matana daw ko niya ba? Hello.
Yeah. The bar, did you get the bar on? Because the stainless bowls.
Busy. Yan lang. Ikaw na po drive mo.
Ayan, yung tudluan nato pag kuan pag moagi tara to sa left ta moagi or right.
Haon sa?
Tong sa kuan ba?
Unsa man?
Pagbalik na to kasi kita di ba naman to sa designated nga kuan?
Ah man.
Oh, designated nga asa ta moagi.
Basta outside ka sa kuan mo agi. Outside ka sa ang sitaw gani. Outside ka sa green.
Dili gutong isa. May kuan di pag-uli na to ba? Di ba
Ah,
para
oo.
to ibadlong kanila nga.
Dito ra Japon na area Japon.
Dili.
Mao ra Japon.
Ay, isa po.
Andar. Atras. Woo! Nga ano, wala ka nag-polarize. Atras, atras. Ay, wala. All the way, pagin mo ha. Forward, 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 forward. Good. Okay, straight na. Bantayan eh, mga motorhome na, mga balay. Pero bagay kay ni Huot imong kuha niya warn. Woohoo! Inay lang sa inay. Makasulod sila mo. No, si Manong nagtanaw, sorry. Inay lang yun. So naka mga inanis, 4 lang sa. Ay mo balod, nawa lagi mo balod. Eh. Ready. Tari. Ah. Tari to. Ana. Terasa. Oh, grabe. Let's go. Woo! Wow! Tama. Yeah. Woo! Ah, grabe na. Sada kayo, wakeboarding, oh shit! Woo! Dali, sa wakeboard, mahambak yung dali. Oo. Tanawa. Yawat! Manong, ate! Yaw, bulit, nasa itong gilid. Ayaw, busog kayo. Woo! Ah! Gamay ra. Oh! Ah! Aron. Uy! Di ako marumaling na kaski. Dua ka mo, kiatay. Slide left. Slide. Ayaw guys, left yun. Oh, sakta na eh.